Pai le tak siam se promise bunan ai ba me pai.
Ta memut ban ong ba bero arngut ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mentah kesengi kedai kesengi kaba ki bor sarkar ki lakhot ya kata ka joint inspection banon pik hane po opar selong hajaka jaka veterinary nak mentah ban snai ke terpam ke thamai ki bor sarkar ki lakhot ya ki senjuk jong ki rambak snong kumju ru i sang balang ndai layu i ba ki sang balang nak kalian juga FKGP opar selong sarkal ki mi paj ba ban persya ya kan ke inspection ban pau ru jing persya ki bagi labu naduk mensua bakin persya bet ya jing temu ban snai ya kan ke pom kamsa sipang inyo ekran bagi noyalam jogi senjuk orang basnong kumjuru nagi noyalam joga FKGP haga bakin yo ban pensngau ya kata ka jing persya jongki
Ngadap tok saya deh nih, dari permanen. Kepala ban hiar peteng, kepala ban transfer. Kalau saya duia unis kibor kasri itu lapan job. Temang ikir saya dak saya baka kalau defeat ke purpose ke veterinary yang niru dak beburam gitu ki officer ke veterinary ini amar ngi kwa apa ya ka jaka ke veterinary jadi ban penyiar susu. Lara ka sarkar rang yo ban thi jaka susu ni thiet. Ban mentoy.
Kum kesenjuk lengi kuah bahang ni kan wan ke veterinary college nap kum makalarai hopo u haka haubnai mie arajar apuar akan ke first MDA government lengi kuah ke hospital baka college bukan wan hakan ni ka jaka kata ka digijing trang baka jing angnur ke jom
Ngir ngin kersa niru ya kata nak liang jungi. Menjur am. From the bush.
But rest of
Don't try to jump around the bush. We understand very well. This is our land. We are born and brought up here and we'll die here. So please don't jump around the bush. And you should clearly understand that from our side, we oppose this. You find out another place also, we don't mind. But not in the government land. And the government also should not give to any person unless they fulfill our demands.
documents no fee
Yes.
those documents should can supply them a copy of this
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.